Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a wee walk along the beach today. We're out in the van, obviously. So what I've done, I've just fitted a set of speakers. My wife got me them for Christmas. So I've had the van for about, well, a year and a half. And in that time, we've never had any music. Which has been a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. We've just used our phones and things while being in the van. So now I've got the new speakers fitted. We've just tested them and they work really well. So I've decided I'm going to keep it a secret from my missus. Wait till she's in the van the next time and just pop the music up. So where we are today, guys, this isn't our local beach. This is a place called Kingsbarns. There's not much of a beach just now. The tide seems to be quite far in. But what I will tell you is, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video here, but wet feet. totally got caught out there, guys. But anyway, over there, you see all the vans behind me. So you're allowed to pay to park here overnight. Can't remember the exact cost. Obviously I'm not staying overnight, so I've just got the 1 hour ticket. But I think it's about £10 or so for the night. There is somebody on site to check that you're paying. Make sure that you're in a proper bay and that, so that it doesn't get taken advantage of. But I'm getting caught out with this water again. As you can see behind me, the water's quite far in. There's not much of a beach here at all, so we're not having much of a walk. There isn't anywhere to go. There's a golf course right up there, but it's a lovely place once the tide's out and there's a bit of a beach to speak of. So we're going to just walk back to the van, get the hot chocolates on, put the telly on, chill out for a bit. I'm not sure if this is going to show up very well. I mean, it's getting quite dark. Hopefully the camera will lighten it a wee bit. And just up here behind me, guys, is some toilets there, so there is facilities. There's a wee snack bar up there as well, but I'm not sure that's open at this time of year, obviously. But if you're coming here with a van, I'm sure you would be self-sufficient. Rambo, come on! Where's my boy? Would you actually believe it, guys? It's Hogmanay here and the snack bar is indeed open. Quite surprised by that. So I never knew this was here, guys, but it's a Wild Scottish Sauna. It tells you there if you're curious. I'll try and zoom in on that. You can find us at wildscottishsauna.com. It's quite a busy wee spot, guys. A few vans here. Must have heaters. That's what I'm missing. Absolutely freezing. It's freezing, guys. You know what, although there wasn't much of a beach, we had a good 10-minute walk there anyway. And it's just enough to get the bones cold. So Connie's come prepared today, like I said earlier. She's got the hot chocolate there, Cadbury's no less. So we'll get that on go and try and warm up a bit. Right, so I reckon, Connie, there's going to be some bubbles in here because we've not had water in the pipe. There we go. It doesn't take long to start running out though. That'll do. Let's see if we can get this lit. Hey, let there be gas. Right, open the door a wee bit. Right guys, I'm conscious of the light running out, but I wanted to show you and let you hear these new speakers. So the new speakers, that's them in the door there. Obviously I've had a wee bit of a problem with my door lock, so my winding that's not on and there's the speaker cover. But I thought I'll put the speakers in, give them a wee test, see what they're like. So we'll just, we'll fire up the ignition here. Now, it's a standard head unit. We'll just pop that on. And what we used to get before was just a constant crackle. You couldn't actually hear anything. So I'll just put the volume up. Probably get copyright now because of that, but yeah, we've got music in the van, so it's going to make driving a lot better. I've been asked the question before by somebody how I managed to get the TV and that connected to the internet. So I hotspot my phone. It's a fairly simple thing, but I'm like aware that not everybody's going to know how to do it. So it's a simple guide. Basically all you do is you turn your Wi-Fi off there on your phone and you go into your settings. Can you see this okay? You hit your connections, you go mobile hotspot and tethering, you turn your mobile hotspot on, and that's you connected to, once you've connected your TV to that internet, basically you can then just turn it on, and when you get onto your Netflix and everything, you can just connect up because it's using that like a Wi-Fi router sort of thing. So there you have it, guys. Once you're connected up, you can just use the TV just exactly the same as you would sort of in the house. So yeah, some people have got sort of Wi-Fi built into their van, and they've probably got better signal. Some places that you go where you lose your phone signal up the Highlands and stuff, you'll not be able to do that. But when we're in that situation, we've got a DVD player on this TV and we've got a wallet full of DVDs, so late at night we can still get the telly on, just watch a film. So that's how we do it. Right guys, it's getting really dark here now. Kettle's nearly boiled. Not sure if Connie's decided what we're watching, but we'll see you in the new year on the next video. Have a good one guys. Bye for now.